Welcome to a channel where knowledge sparks wonder, and each discovery unlocks a gateway to new horizons. Today, we're peeling back the layers on a popular fruit, bananas. You might be shocked to learn that these tasty snacks come with a little bit of radioactivity. That's right, but don't worry, you're not going to glow in the dark from eating them. But before you toss your banana stash, let's explore what this really means for our health. The word banana has an intriguing history, and while its exact origin remains unclear, here's what we do know. The word banana likely originates from the Wolof language of West Africa, though some scholars suggest influence from the Arabic word banan, meaning fingertip. In the 16th century, Portuguese traders adopted the term from African languages and spread it to Europe and the Americas during colonial expansion. Bananas were first domesticated in Southeast Asia more than 7,000 years ago. Thanks to explorers and traders, they spread across the globe, and today, there are over 1,000 different types of bananas. However, the Cavendish variety is the one most of us are familiar with. Bananas float in water because they are less dense than water. Their structure contains small air pockets, which lower their overall density and make them buoyant. So, if you're ever by a pool, try dropping a banana in and watch it effortlessly float. Bananas grow on herbaceous plants, not trees. What appears to be a trunk is actually a pseudostem, formed by layers of tightly packed leaf bases. Additionally, bananas can ripen other fruits nearby, as the ethylene gas they release also speeds up the ripening of other fruits. The word radioactive might sound alarming, but radiation is actually a normal part of life. Even everyday foods, like bananas, contain small amounts of radiation. The radioactive element in bananas is potassium-40. Potassium is an essential nutrient and a significant part of the diet, found in many foods. Potassium-40 is a naturally occurring isotope of potassium, and it's weakly radioactive. The amount of radiation from potassium-40 is minimal and not harmful in the quantities typically consumed. Now, here's the big reveal. The level of radioactivity in bananas is minimal and completely safe. So next time you enjoy a banana, you can do so without fear. Do you know a banana has about 450 milligrams of potassium? Only about 0.012% of potassium atoms are radioactive. So eating a banana exposes you to about 0.01 millirem, 0.1 microsieverts, of radiation. These K40 atoms spontaneously decay, releasing electrons, beta radiation, as well as gamma rays. Banana equivalent dose. The level of radioactivity in a banana is so low that it's measured in what's known as a banana equivalent dose, bed, of radiation. Eating a banana exposes you to a small amount of radiation, about 0.1 microsieverts, micro-SV. Here is the comparison table of banana equivalent dose. Did you know bananas can boost your mood? That's right, they're packed with tryptophan, which your body converts into serotonin, the hormone responsible for making you feel happy. So, if you're ever feeling low, grab a banana. Here is a gift for our environment. Bananas are used to create bioplastics. Researchers have found a way to use banana peels to create biodegradable plastics. By extracting starches and fibers, they produce an eco-friendly material that decomposes naturally, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional plastics and helping reduce pollution. Enjoy that banana, the world's most popular fruit. Bananas are rich in potassium, which supports heart health, muscle function, and can even improve your mood. They're also an excellent source of fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. Next time you peel a banana, remember, it's not just a snack, it's food for thought. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights on how nature helps solve big challenges. See you in the next video.